Will not let me go.
Let me start by telling. Pô.
Roses, stay for roses. Answer coming. You wild, I gotta get out of here.
今天要给大家变魔术了，没了，没有了啊，没有了。
We have to be careful. Someone here is possessed by an owl. Who? That's the thing, we don't...
You can also get jiggy and shake your boobs. I mean...
Etwas, eine Kleinigkeit, unterscheidet mich von euch.
Wir laufen.
Ich kann gehen.
Mein Bruder, der ist schwer behindert, ne? Sagst du zu dem Behindert?
V-Bucks, Skylar. Where is the rest? I need it for the Renegade Raider skin, Skylar.
I spent it on Skibidi Toilet. The bundle, Walt.
You did what?
Walt, I had to. Out of respect for the OG. I swear. Walt,
You spend our V-Bucks on Skibidi?
Walt, please, please just hear me out, please.
حسبي ربي جل الله 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 ما في قلبي غير الله الله الله.
And the homeboys to cheating your girlfriend. I would rather snitch on my homies.
Yeah, yeah.
Practice your English. I say red and you say green. Okay. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Green. You're supposed to say the green line at the top.
Okay.
Nice. Where do they live?
They live in Cox City.
Смотри. Здравствуйте, в эфире Вести Красноярск, в студии Екатерина Мазалькова.
Oh, you're single? You're single because you're just too hot for anyone to ask you out. They're just afraid to make the move and afraid to...
Actually, it's because I'm fat and I'm Asian and I have a small coat.
Okay, pretend I'm not me and I'm a random girl and I'm a girl at a party and I come up to you. Hey, how are you? What's your name?
What are we gonna do?
I'm a random girl, I'm not me.
Y'all call me a monkey?
Whoa, no.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
No! Everyone! 2B for A. Okay?
Wait, what? 2B for A?
Yes. Oi, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oi, блядь.
Hi. Hi. Shit.
What kind of girl are you?
Let's just say I'm a special girl.
What are you, retarded?
Hey, what the fuck is out of raw? I keep seeing this bullshit.
Mmm.
What's wrong, okay? When I came down.
不是，我在说那个哪里那个。
No, poder ahí.
Ya leí en los 3 puntos, al lado de donde ven mi imagen, al lado de los 3 puntos, Sebastián, pero Sebastián Amado.
Hold out your hand, Frodo. It's quite cool. You like to eat?
Hell yeah, I like to eat. What you think? I got air in me? the hell is wrong with you? Asking me dumb questions. He literally looked at my big ass and say, "Do you like to eat?" No, I went by the gas station and put the air pump in my ass today, Shannon. That's how I got blowed up. I'm sorry. Stick a pin in me. I'm gonna be your size.
No, but you know, sometimes people.
You know he don't date big girls.
Back in the day.
Back in the day. When you needed a collard green dinner.
The Bluetooth device is ready.
1 Krabby Patty, extra onion.
1 crying Johnny coming up. First,
Bruh.
then followed by mustard, extra lettuce, tomatoes, and in that order. 1.
Whatever.
You know, I've seen this done a couple of times on a couple of different videos, and I'm not quite sure that's real, and I just want to see what's up. Ooh.
Anyways, I was born with a condition called ectrodactyly. That means I only have 4 fingers on each of my hands.
Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk yo.
I swear, I will kill you, and I mean it. I mean it, Tiffany.
Scam again, scam boy, scam again, scam boy. Scam again, scam.
Don't, are you idiot, you stupid motherfucker? Why did you take all my guns? Are you stupid?
Where the fuck you at?
Then where you at? If you ain't at the river, then where you at?
I hate the American flag, so I have taken it upon myself to redesign it. So let's keep the essence of stars and stripes, but let's make it 2 stripes to represent the Democratic and Republican Party that control our government, and we'll just make it 1 star because it is one nation after all. But I want to throw in triangles to kind of give the Illuminati shadow government vibe. So here's the final rendering. This
I don't give a fuck what you want.
What do you spend your pocket money on?
Hamster food and premium bonds.
I spend my pocket money on V-Bucks and vapes.
Like that side, the other side being cooked.
Oh yeah, we just out here doing our thing, bro. You know, yo, fuck 'em.
Nigga means love. I love everyone. Gang, gang, fuck, bitch, get money. Nigga chicken, nigga.
I bought property.
Elson Walker? Yes, ma'am. There you are. Alright, you're charged with stealing a Dolphin jersey?
Now the 3-2 swung on, a pop foul back here.
Ow! 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 It really hit me. I didn't know it was coming back that far.
Laway. Di pa ga?
पता नहीं किस बहान चोद की नजर लग गई भाई.
It's really not any of my business, but you should lay off the Jensen Impact, or I'm going to have to tell Uncle Hank.
Listen, you're watching too much lowly hentai, and I mean, to be honest with you, I'd rather you do meth at this point. You know what I'm saying?
Nash and Cameron. Cameron. Nash, yo.
Bitch, why the fuck you look like Mr. Popo?
CRESTERNO NONRLDO. Cristo soy esta coronel. Don't talk to me.
First, Ninja go!
Whoa! How'd he do that? Look what color I am! Wait a minute, I'm still black.
Black Ninja.
Just relax. You've been very drunk for the last hour.
Me or you?
You.
Hola, Panchito. Mira, me llegaron las man...
Let's pour this bad boy.
Teacher, he doesn't have a pencil.
I don't give a fuck. Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
To point this thing at this airplane flying overhead and see if it really can pick up sounds from far away.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got no son.
Woman is considered a medical miracle. Laura Esterman was struck by lightning nearly a month ago, and she was considered officially dead. Thankfully, CPR from her mom revived her heart, but she laid in a coma for 2 weeks, and then she defied all odds and woke up.
I should buy
Well, Obviously, there was a problem with that tape. She doesn't really sound like that. She doesn't remember the accident, but the evidence is clear. I am so sorry.
Hello? Is this Among Us? Imposter? Is this the imposter from Among Us? Fucking nigga!
Fade it. Aha! Me and my son. Hit it. Yeah. Hit him with it one more time, eh? Oh, dab on him.
Nick! Nice people.
Oh my God, look at these
Lovely people.
What are you
Awesome souls.
doing, chimping out? Getting ready to, who we going to rock?
New Neo product with TrackMan. Did you find it? Each letter has no wires, so it's easy to put it on and take it off. The design is very human. Even the young homie can handle it. We use low voltage power supply, so it's safe and you won't get hurt while touching it. Click the WhatsApp button below to order. 1 year warranty.
Alright, so we're just gonna buy a few.
I got you something.
Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy, hold on.
Oh, shit.
Who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Speak English?
Yes, I can.
From where do you know this language?
Français.
Non, je ne parlais.
Je partout.
Oh, ne, този френски.
Força! Você não tá fazendo musculação? Essa vai pro meio.
This is crazy. Look, the white bird is bad at stealing. Well.
Through here, we're trying to figure out what's going on here. I'm not sure if this is a sinkhole to China or what. I think I see something.
Is this the USA?
Look, honey, a shooting star.
Aww.
Free on third, fuck, Nick.
Just let me know if it's too tight, all right?
I can't breathe.
Oh, God damn it!
Good. Make a fist for me. Make a fist. Good. Relax. When I met Zion, I said, why do you want hands? Zion, why do you want hands? He's a very, very intelligent young man. He said, I want to swing on the monkey bars.
Zion didn't say that shit.
I hope they play Fiend. This is Thanksgiving dinner. Fiend.
Hey Siri, upload this video to iCloud right now.
I opened the garage.
Place your head between the knees. Between your own knees, Father.
Hein? Tem que admitir que isso é legal.
This is what a real mustache looks like.
Pick a number from 1 to 10.
Really?
Yes.
10.
10 seconds of pepper spray. Whoa.
Of course.
Respond! Say something! Yes, Chief. No, Chief.
Maybe, Chief. What is it?
Uzun birler gitken yollarıma ama yok mi bıtten bolla tözü almayayım.
Everyone, can you make a noise contestant number 3 that you think represents how you would make a noise when you got spanked? Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
And do contestant number 1 now, since we're doing this new bit.
SpongeBob me, Bob.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Promise me you'll never eat at Arby's. Oh, I'm fucking dying.
I know you voted for Biden.
Yeah.
Messi. Get over there.
Do you have water in the room?
I do have water.
Fill your mouth with water, please. I will tell you a joke. One pretty guy from Africa.
Attention to the map. Attack the D point. Bravo! I'm sorry. Somebody attack him. I refuse. Returning to the base. Attention to the designated grid square. Somebody cover me. Never. Negative. Need backup. Cover me. Leading. Burning. Follow me. Engaging the enemy. That. Thank you very much.
Excuse me? I think this shirt would look nice.
What, for you?
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, sure.
You think?
Why not?
Would you fuck me in this?
Yeah.
Hey, no. Hey. Hi, bye.
Hi there. Flip.
I think it needs 5 more minutes.
What is this, bro? Who's gonna buy this? No.
Hello, my great kings. Come and fight me.
But as you can see, I have some pet ducks, and I'm gonna see if I can communicate with them. Okay, ready?
You serious?
Let me drive the boat.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
No.
I'll be having it.
Who be having it? That might be the movie we be watching sometimes.
Oh, yeah. Y'all don't have a TV in y'all.
We can watch TV on my computer though.
No.
Which sound is real?
I bought a property in Egypt.
Toyota.
Please don't upload that. You're gonna upload that, aren't you?
Yes.
You know damn well you're gonna.
How do you open tough jar lids? Do you try this one or this one? Or how about this?
I'd like to thank my beautiful husband. My beautiful...
I said 4! It's an easy combination that can save your life in a fight. So what you want to do is you want to throw a stiff jab, then a 2, but if that misses, you want to check hook into the...
We'd like to pay for the person behind me. Today is National Day of Remembrance for homicide victims, and my husband was brutally killed. I just wanted to give some love today, and I hope that, you know, if anybody that you lost, and I feel like there is somebody, she's watching you. She's watching you all the time, and she loves you. So, this is...
Damn, that's crazy. We got, number 6 is buy one, get one free. We're doing a deal right now where you can exchange fries for onion.
So you think you can just explode on all my mushrooms without being punished?
Hey, settle down. Take it easy. What the scout?
I am Adolf Hitler!
Hey, what the fuck is out of raw? I keep seeing this bullshit every fucking way.
This one! Yeah!
A vida é bela, a vida é cheia, a vida é amor, a vida é alegria. Sorrisos e risadas, sorrisos no ar. A vida é sonho, vamos celebrar.
Good morning, bastards! Hey, Tinky Winky, Lala, Po, other bastard! What are you doing? Have a good day, yeah?
Why did the bicycle fall over?
I don't know why.
Because...
Bottle.
Access granted. Access denied.
Look at... What is that? What is that?
It's a daddy long leg.
Hey, Daddy.
Ew.
And what they...
I bought a property in Egypt.
I bought a property.
Hey, what the fuck?
I bought a property. I bought a property.
Bought a property.
I bought a property.
I bought a property.
I bought.
Please give me cock. Oh, please give me cock. I want a cock. I remember the first time I went to America, I was at the airplane. I asked flight attendants that, can I get a cola? And she asked me, excuse me? I keep saying, cola, cola, cola. But it was not cola, it was cock. It was cock. It's cock actually, right?
Tomatoes and scrambled eggs. Really simple.
Cook the man some fucking eggs, bitch!
Okay.
妈妈起床了，快点起到了。啊，妈妈赶快准备好了，让你爸去。爸爸，我吃上学啦。
Anger.
Nigger.
Anger.
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 Nigger.
What animal is considered a man's best friend? Crocodile.
Whenever I see you, and you act like a bad guy.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy! Ah! Yeah. Go stupid! Go crazy!
Look at you, baby. you so pretty. Look how pretty you is. Ooh, with your glasses on. Just think about it. Look at that. 9 years ago, you was in my balls.
Yes, I'm a simp.
السلام عليكم. البلاد هذه البلاد ديالنا.
Play ticker.
Bobby, can you talk to play wheels?
You want to hear a station for porn detected. Porno ringtone, hot chick, amateur girl, quality, sexy.
No.
Pussy, anal, dildo ring.
Fuck you, bitch.
What do you get when you cross a skier and a vampire?
And just sound?
I think.
Oh boy.
I just go by she, her. What about you?
I just use my name as my main pronoun.
What's your name?
Nick.
Nick.
Yeah, but my secondary pronoun, I just go by her. So just like you go by she, her, instead of she, I go by Nick, basically. So I got this exercise that I do basically for us to get comfortable with each other's pronouns. So basically, I'll start with the exercise. So for you, I'd go you're she, her, you're she, her, you're she, her. And for me, you could go.
So you're Nick. You're.
And the referee has shown him a second yellow card.
My name is... I've been teaching the disciples all week. It's nice to actually take a break and have a little fun. Cannonball!
Gonna take her out.
Whose burger is this?
McDonald's. Shit, this is gonna be embarrassing, by the way.
McDonald's, yeah. I included it last time. I included it.
Whose burger is
Sonic's. Oh, God.
Whose
Burger King
is this? Answer. Whose burger is
Robin.
this?
Red Robin or, what is it? Yeah, Red Robin's, wow.
Answer. Whose burger is this?
Whataburger? Classic, but yeah.
Answer. Whose burger is this?
Arby's.
Answer. Whose burger
In-N-Out.
is this?
Fuck, this is fucking embarrassing, dude. We need to stop doing this, probably.
Answer. Whose burger
Wendy's.
is this?
I've eaten so many of those.
Answer. Whose burger is this?
McDonald's double quarter pounder.
Answer.
Niger, 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 Nigerland.
Hello, I wanna wolf tattoo my right chest. Wolf needs to be wild, strong, but wise in the same time, like a leader. You know what I'm saying. And the name of my son under the wolf, and under that I want a clock. clock shows the time when my daughter just born. On my left chest, I want the leon, and that leon should be really strong. And under that, I need memento mori, and bear next to it. You know what I'm asking for. I just need 5-10 sketches. I need to decide, Then I will let you know if I'm going to add tattoo. So, price, it should be cheap, So, pro siemke. See you.
But you ain't going nowhere. Bruh. Bruh. Mata. Bruh. Bruh. Tíralo. Tíralo. Bruh.
Koje droge koristite?
Droge? Ne, ja se ne drogiram, folklor je moja droga.
Get on it.
I do not have to have a driver's license to drive a car. This is not a commercial vehicle.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Okay. You're under arrest.
Mom, where do you get such a giant chocolate bar? The fuck are you looking at?
Do you know where my dad is?
He ended up dying, actually. He did some pills and drove into an embankment. But when I was young, he would shit in his yard, make me bury it.
Did that shit jiggle, my boy?
我是来请假的。Ninguém tá nem me vendo, ó. 你别看。
São uma judinha.
他们现在。
Para com essa porra aí, meu irmão!
就是在我身边。
Pede licença! Pede licença, senão eu te mordo!
不是。
Pede licença, palhaço!
他们全部到屋里躲里去了。
Pede licença! Pede licença, senão eu te mordo!
一会儿下大了，他们还往里跑？对。
Puta, por que tu fez isso, corno do caralho?
Não fui eu, não!
Foi você sim!
Não fui eu, não!
Foi você sim!
今天下午请假不能播了，我怕。
Deu mal.
Can we 10-9 vehicle description?
Peach, are you okay?
Liga, tá bom? Liga, olha o que os caras fizeram aí, mano.
Oh, we're here. Thanks for the ride, Yoshi.
Polska, Niemcy 1-1. No i co tu robi, kurwa, Hitler?
Para empezar, estuve investigando del por qué, no sé, les atrae o les gusta escuchar el Good Girl.
So in this brief time here, what I want to use it to do is to say this. When I was 16 years old, I tried to kill myself.
I'm fat. Patriarchy. I'm lazy, greedy, unhealthy, irresponsible. I'm fat. I am the elephant in the room.
Look, get that. There's a fish right there. I'm going to show you how to catch that fish using a worm that all men have built in. Just slowly peel down the front of your underpants, revealing your penis, and try to get those water spiders out of the way. They can crawl up your urethra. Just lean forward, going in. Oh, it's in. Oh. Okay, we got one. Tastes like chicken.
Habibi, come to Germany!
Germany!
No.
That's really sweet of you.
Don't.
Come on, lock in.
I'm locked in, bro.
What's the secret password?
I love your dick. I love your dick. Come on, bro. Come on. Stop playing like that, bro.
He's coming. Yo. Peg him. Oh! I understand. Don't give up. Yeah. Very good. Stay focused. Oh my god.
Obviously, look at my skin color. I'm allowed to say the nig word.
What we look for today?
Say a loyal woman.
Alright.
Scan that lyric. Item cannot be found.
Oh my lord.
快点，你捂着鼻子干啥？
看到这个牌子了吧？
看见了。
我没看见。
Porque en uno de mis vídeos dije que ahora ya no puedo subir mis vídeos a TikTok porque se pone a llorar como sin padres, así que ahora subiré mis vídeos a pica el. Así es amigos, me pica el. Pero lo más importante es que me pica el. Acaba de llorar nada más porque en uno de mis vídeos dije que...
Keep your eyes on the road, Fred. Like holy shit.
Double Whopper day, nigga. Double Whopper, nigga. Do that shit. Hey, make sure you get high before you eat.
Goddamn Gucci, Louis, 3 Balo, go. These niggas out there.
Yes.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh hell no! That's hell no!
ايوه هتيجي خلاص جاي ايه خلاص كده جت بقى خلاص كده هتقف لازم تقف على واحدة فيهم.
Are you a male or a female spirit? Once for a male, twice for a female. Stop it. Stop. Wait till I ask a question. Are you evil? Once for yes, 2 for no.
Hey, hey!
Have a favorite feature to use in here?
Yeah.
Something that you think is very cool?
Check this out.
Wow.
So that's pretty neat.
And you can tell us if you're gay.
It's not gay to play with dominoes.
I'm still super fucking pregnant.
Holy moly! Whoa!
Yes, welcome to the Rack and Pinion. What will it be?
I'm in a pub. I'm staggered.
It's got peanuts on the wall, terrible pictures.
Yes.
This is fabulous.
I know.
Warm brown beer.
Yep. Would you like a glass of Lady Petrol?
Is that rosé? Lady
Yes.
Petrol?
I've equipped it with your favourite drink.
What's that?
That's for you.
Rummy's Ruin.
It's gin.
Un Michelin, deux Michelin et le troisième Michelin.
Just tried to have a baby.
Been in the car for like 2 months, Maury. Like, come on now.
But now that a baby is here, I'm 6 feet tall and this baby's short.
How dare we speak Merry Christmas? How dare we? Merry Christmas, everybody.
Ah, a bear! Ah, a nigger! Ah, you see? It don't feel so good, does it? It's very reductive. Well, anyway, don't worry about it.
Would you rather have $100,000 in your bank account right away or Renegade Raider?
Renegade Raider.